Hello everyone, let's dive into the EPOMAKER X LEOBOG Hi75, an aluminum alloy wired mechanical keyboard that's been creating quite a buzz. Right out of the box, the white and purple color scheme with the MDA profile keycaps gives it a distinctive and stylish look. It's a keyboard that definitely stands out on any desk. One of the most interesting features is the mode switching knob. It's not just a gimmick, it genuinely enhances the user experience. With a simple twist, you can switch between work and gaming modes, each with its own distinct RGB lighting. The knob also provides precise control over volume and lighting, adding a touch of sophistication to your daily use. It's a feature that blends style and functionality seamlessly. The 75% layout is a sweet spot for many. It provides all the essential keys without taking up too much desk space. The Hi75 manages to pack 81 keys into a compact form factor, making it ideal for those who value both functionality and minimalism. The aluminum build feels solid and premium, adding to the overall quality of the keyboard. Typing experience is where the Hi75 truly shines. The gasket-mounted structure, combined with pour-on gaskets, effectively minimizes cavity sound. This results in a satisfying and relatively quiet typing experience, making it suitable for both office and gaming environments. The pre-lubed Nimbus V3 switches offer a smooth and tactile feel, enhancing the overall typing experience. The Hi75 is also hot swappable, allowing you to easily change the switches without soldering. This is a great feature for those who like to experiment with different switch types to find their perfect feel. The keyboard also features NKRO, in-key rollover, ensuring that every key press is registered accurately, even during intense gaming sessions. Connectivity is straightforward with the USB-C interface, ensuring a stable and reliable connection. The keyboard is also programmable, allowing you to customize the key mappings and create macros to suit your specific needs. This level of customization adds to the versatility of the Hi75, making it a great choice for both gamers and professionals. In conclusion, the EPOMAKER X LEOBOG Hi75 is a well-rounded mechanical keyboard that offers a lot of value for its price. Its unique mode-switching knob, sleek design, comfortable typing experience, and customizable features make it a standout option in the crowded mechanical keyboard market. If you're looking for a keyboard that combines style, functionality, and performance, the Hi75 is definitely worth considering.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.